bibia boko na wonso
na me adom me so me hu eye say dem say World Cup na me say feeling no gradually am say die off
of course
die kakra bibia say club football return inti clubs na shasia omo eye businesses na stories in bi wa out here shocking kakra bi wa out here
the transfer stories
transfer stories no ebi wa out here shocking kakra minim no pain na person dey fa na any komo
yen sha same free transfer
no problem
yen sha say free transfer no because I no pay na me share transfer markets no and I was looking at the stories and Eba and I was really excited, especially from the Chelsea point of view. We sure Chelsea for no after last season it was confirmed say Ombo Europe. See when Timian qualify for Champions League and to the extent say Ombo even the Conference League. So missing out on Champions League, missing out on Europa League, missing out on Conference League. And we find ourselves in the position and now Manchester United for last season. Because Man United is also originally not almost struggle to qualify, but this time around no mafa muhedi mokobo Champions League next season and it has been reversed to Chelsea yenso without European football next season. But Rich, the biggest thing is that Chelsea not being able to qualify for Europe but still being able to attract the best of quality on the market. I think say it is something that is very, very commendable. Abra Chelsea from penny for your Madrid say ombe pamo Liam Ozinia. Not Chelsea fans no be brave. And Ebufono was stemming from the fact say na enyama na Chelsea for no yeno mpenyifono yeno through Todd Bowley, clearly Capital, Bedad Egbali at the top no. It was affecting how the club was operating. Because Roman Abramovich eton club na American owners for better club no. There was a certain kind of model the fans were expecting that they will see from this new management, but no who sadian. And you look at how so many decisions had been taken for the last 5 years. It didn't go into the interest of Chelsea, into more young players, no matter and then they would be able to sell some of them off. Deal, no amortization and all of those things became things that they were using on their respective deals and now almost sign Yama Chelsea club no. In the long run, Sanya money no didn't benefit us. And so those decisions to sack Enzo Maresca Enzo Maresca nankasa no on Man City folk di nkomo and all of those things became controversies. And brought Liam Rozinia another rash decision. 5-year contract when Timen Chamu more than even 3 months. And yes, also Yenjano Kwaina Yankofo Bifu from Ra. Then they decided to go for Xabi Alonso. And Omokofa Xabi Alonso no. There was one thing they had put in their statement. So Omo person we self-reflection to see what the direction of Chelsea Football Club could be. Omo person the Chelsea Football Club no edit to jina bia papa. So you realized how going in for Xabi Alonso, they didn't only make him the head coach, but they made him the manager. Rich, I think that was one of the biggest decisions at this point. Chelsea through Todd Bowley, Bedad Egbali, Clearly Capital Consortium. No, this is one of the biggest decisions that they've made for Chelsea. Because Sobesha, that decision to appoint Xabi Alonso is helping the Chelsea club in a very positive way. Because club are on Champions League, on Europe, on Europa League, on BBA in the European competitions there. And then I attracted the big names like Morgan Rogers.
And it's Ghana.
Mebao. The point I'm trying to make is that when you have a manager like Xabi Alonso, one of the things that he will give to you and he say, he will bring his assertiveness on board. And when he's being given the authority to manage transfer situations, these are the sort of results you get. I could imagine if Sir Chelsea Frank of Xabi Alonso in Tem and a Liverpool for your Madrid or Mopam and the slot, no, their next person in mind was to go and take Xabi Alonso. By now, maybe Xabi Alonso wouldn't have come. But Xabi Alonso's coming to Chelsea in Siciano is proving to the point that he's able to influence some of the transfer decisions look into some of the transfer decisions that Chelsea for person year and say okay, move a player we are a year and influencing the transfers, being able to have conversations with those players. Morgan Rogers transfer now. Rich, it took just 48 hours to convince the player to join Chelsea. 117 million pounds. And I get you, so it's fine. One of the things that Chelsea wants to do now is to make sure they are balancing their books. Because the debt that Chelsea went into last season, also too much. And as of now, if Chelsea decides to sign players more than 100 million pounds, they have to make sure that they will not violate the financial fair play rules. Sawatia, players like Alejandro Garnacho are on the market. And Pedro Netonso is considering a move to Tottenham Hotspur. And already Chelsea for Andre Santos for 50 million pounds, Wabra Mokofan 18 million pounds. So you realize that the approach has changed. Sikana Yedeko for Morgan Rogers no. By the time the transfer window ends, there will be a balance on the book. And I understand Sikana, but if you are spending, you also have to make sure that you are also selling. And I think that is what Chelsea is doing. But back to Xabi Alonso. Rich, Xabi Alonso to me is one of the best decisions that Chelsea has made because me say transfer no, Morgan Rogers transfer no. Aside the fact say no. Any player needing come on within a short period of time to convince the player to join Chelsea. You also got players like Cole Palmer and Reece James. We are Chelsea players already to speak to the player
to stay,
to come and join Chelsea. Reece James, Morgan Rogers, they were in England camp at the World Cup. But Cole Palmer, no, Morgan Rogers is a relationship.
Okay.
So all of these components came together to help Chelsea to convince the player to join the club. Wabra next season, Yambo European competition. So it tells me that the influence of Xabi Alonso is really, really high, and I think Chelsea are going to really experience a very good, transfer window with him. And so Obesha Anope Matisse John Stones
so
is also
a free agent.
A free agent
because on this city contract now expired.
Yeah,
and he a free agent. I mean, almost this so far, man. I don't know, Bibi Kakrabe
experience.
And I mean, John Stones is not a bad player.
No, of course.
Say Chelsea Nana, a good addition. And now Omo Enyano. Matisse says Aston Villa to say, they are considering
Nicolas Jackson.
Nicolas Jackson from Chelsea. Oh, you see, my problem kakra. I understand.
Yeah,
Chelsea, you are doing well. Kwanya say Mufaso Yamunyeme bi muto player na. Obi to say, you can say Andre Santos. Santos, yeah. I mean, good business.
Yeah.
And I'm so what I say. But my problem here, project now more yen. And come says, I'm ne drew maybe no more must I dream. Because players be on I think I feel almost the Chelsea project na say.
Yeah.
But all of a sudden, not Chelsea Tom, Marco Kurea, Mojan Kwai, no ni madua kenum, and I mean, Obi to say. This guy Nicolas Jackson, I understand.
Yeah.
On the Asanya we call Bayern.
Yeah.
What I say. And I feel no back to Chelsea. I'm always say bia. Come wait me then 18 no. But say bia Branton so be for all you know. If you on person about twaso.
Yeah.
Now only Chelsea. Jumadi na etimi adan atwaso.
Yeah.
But in the nutshell, what I want to say is say Ebasa a distracted a project now person we
It's true.
Because players now do more project now we sign to.
Yeah. See,
the project in this college.
Look, Rich, I don't dispute Asema Okano. I don't dispute that fact. But there's a saying, say new king, new law. And at this point, Chelsea management nakofa Xabi Alonso no. I can also assume and presume that before Xabi Alonso cast Obeji Ejumano, he gave the Chelsea management certain conditions that Opesa Odiye Ejuma with Chelsea Football Club. Ansana or crown for a pen to paper so or sign this contract. The thing is that once you have sacked Enzo Maresca, once you have sacked Liam Luzinia, and our JR to me say Opesa oye new thing, starting afresh to revitalize the project that you have started. You need to make sure that say Kofa manager, Nasa manager ni Xabi Alonso, and you know the record that Xabi Alonso has in the Bundesliga, going one full season with Bayer Leverkusen, when lose one match crown. You need to also give that coach a certain freedom to operate. And Michelle Diakoso Chelsea Ninginana, what I can pick from it and say, they have given Xabi Alonso the freedom to decide what he wants to do with the playing body. Omunye interference biya. So Sawoteya, there were a number of Chelsea players at Eba Bonte say Xabi Alonso said they are untouchable. When you begin to hear all of those things, Rich, they are not just rumors. It is a way of the manager who has come to exert his authority on the playing body and also to help the management know say so I get what you are saying, but this is a new direction for Chelsea. And on say Chelsea fans be brave now air dream say if this thing does not work, what will be the next direction? And that is why it has to work.
Because Momodo na mo use no mo use nkwada.
And
nkwada no I say emfa
until now we have to change it.
Yemfa experience blend omo.
Yes.
Experience for no so aba. It seems almost so by na gradually Chelsea asha say tons and nkofo ni na no.
Yeah.
And on the main problem
no, so the selling there, Rich, you see.
So now no model be pa na Chelsea person.
No, the model still remains. Whatever the Chelsea management akano, it still remains.
Okay.
We will work with them with the experienced players.
Okay.
We will change the system, give more authority to Xabi Alonso Awabe.
Okay.
But we would also allow him to make the decisions because, Rich, you would also agree with me that the transfer market, anticipated the way I sit here 10 years ago.
Yeah.
The loyalty of players is not being entrenched in the clubs that they play for currently. It will be better about Chelsea. To say Alejandro Garnacho say Oba or ye not say Oba or ye not say Chelsea na nkope so Oba. But about Chelsea, there has been a change in management. In this a new coach, the who said Alejandro Garnacho, you are not part of my plan, sir. He has every authority to sell the player. Meaning said they make what he said there. So a lot of the changes will happen based on what the manager wants to see the club go to in terms of direction.
Okay.
And I think that is what Chelsea is currently doing. Rich, I think the last thing I'll talk about World Cup no come still. Na UEFA president Alexander Seferin Edeba Bontin say he will not support Gianni Infantino's quest to be re-elected as FIFA president. And before that, World Cup final now, Spain and Argentina boy, Alexander Seferin one Kobe. But first match now, first match, Mexico and South Africa match, he went there, he was there. Rich, why is it that suddenly Alexander Seferin or person or train free Gianni Infantino? The whole controversy is about that red card of Folarin Balogun. The man, player for United States of America, Bosnia and Herzegovina, about round of 32 match now. Your man red card. Donald Trump, president of US, FR phone, FR Gianni Infantino. And within a split second, there was a change in the decision. FIFA's disciplinary committee etna asemnoso and decided say they will suspend that red card to 1 year before it is enforced.
That's no FIFA be chim. Almost say sa body independent.
Okay.
Right? Enti say yamo be red card. Na body not tenase. No say after watching the footage. Any bibiano omu feel said they disagree with the decision of the referee. And then the butter FIFA.
Okay.
Because already FIFA has explained say somebody independent.
Okay.
Whatever decision omu take biano the body. And FIFA needs a
good point. And disciplinary committee, they utilize Article 27 of the FIFA Ethics Code to make that decision. But Rich, the question is that if one person can pick up a phone and call FIFA President Gianni Infantino and tell him, say, Ujafu, baby a red card ikoi and yamede ye free honor me player no embo the next match. What does that mean for the sport football?
The integrity
and the future of the sport. Because there is a former general secretary of a Chad for Football Association. Your friend Ajib Kulamala. He wrote an open letter to FIFA and to the president that if one person can pick a phone and call you and tell you, say, you need to rescind or you need to consider to rescind a red card decision, what does this mean for even African football? Because at this point, the way Anyemesi kono, it looks like all the member states in Africa are silent about the issue. Omuntimi nkasa. Why? FIFA and such and when it happens like that, it means that in the future, you will have your back against the wall. Untimi nkasa.
A bad precedent.
Very bad precedent that has been set by FIFA and Gianni Infantino. Inti Oshaya, after the incident happened, which of the African associations have risen up to speak against the situation? None of them. None of them. Unless, look, Gianni Infantino has literally sold his integrity. Or they are tonchiwe. Or they are penchiwe biari.
If you ask Uncle, we your papa, Eddie, or your papa. Gianni Infantino,
of course.
And the help of United States of America.
And you know the
boss.
You know the coincidental thing. Just 10 years ago, Sepp Blatter was being investigated. February 2016, this year, investigated by US authorities.
Yeah.
Then 10 years down the line,
and you do Gianni Infantino.
And your aim was to restore the confidence in the football that we are playing, being managed by FIFA. 10 years down the line, World Cup draw, the FIFA Peace Prize, Donald Trump. Peace Prize, there's no independent jury, there's no published criteria for that Peace Prize now, and there's no oversight responsibility on that. Just a deeper back was sorry, and for Peace Prize. And also the first recipient is Donald Trump. So you look at all of these situations, and the question is, what is the direction of football? Has the conscience of the FIFA president been sold? For which reason he cannot decide to state emphatically to President Trump, say, there will be some meeting. I know the FIFA ethics code permits, say, you can suspend a red card. But if that has to come at a time where a president to pick a phone call to call Gianni Infantino in India, the sports is compromised.
Bedroom may be our president be free.
Of course.
So to me, be my so Obaka, I use England so one of almost parliamentarians, almost parliament, almost one or two issues
they have with FIFA. You need to request
so you look at where it's a very bad president.
Very bad president. I think it's very detrimental. It could affect the football.
Joshua Olutu, and I'm attending Canin 4.5.